After you've positioned the bed in place like we just did, you want to assemble your tailgate. So take a look. You've got an inner skin that we provide bent. You've got an outer skin that has nothing but a perimeter piece of aluminum. You see I've pre-ground this with the grinder because we're going to be bonding the outer skin to this. Take a look how it mounts. These are the hinges. There's your hook that goes on the hinge. And zoom out here from the outside. This is your latch. So you have regular, the stainless Allen. This hole is the cable mount. You recognize those bolts. And at the very bottom, you have your hinge for the gate. So as you bolt this together from the inside, if you take a look, the shape of the skin right here, you'll notice this middle is further out. That's the curvature of the gate. So this is adjustable. So these bolts, if you were to loosen this bolt and open up the hole, you could actually increase the curvature of this aluminum. As it's CNC cut, you'll find yourself very, very close. I choose to bolt it together as is, and then I use adhesive on this surface to position the outer skin. So you've got your pull strap that opens up the hinges. You've got your bolts that hold the sides together down low. Take a look, you can see the lower edge. Remember, this outer skin that I'm holding is underneath and inside the inner skin. So if you see this edge here is underneath this, and this edge here from the underside is on the inside of that inner skin. So we'll give you a slow walk around video of the inside workings and just go left to right so you can see how everything mounts. And remember, that's a shot of the inside of the tailgate. You cut your strap to length after you position it. I leave them a little bit loose, why not? And then from the other side, this is what the latches, cable, and hinge look like when they're down. Remember, this is the outer skin. This surface here has a bonded fiberglass skin. This is your inner skin. So the inner skin is on the outside of that inner panel, or that outer panel. Your hinges are mounted with the pin to the rear. All the rest of these bolts are self-aligning.